Voyse AI Review. Hey everyone and welcome back. Today, I have something to show you, a next-gen voice generation tool that creates natural-sounding audio with AI. From voiceovers and scripts to entire faceless channels, Voyse AI turns your ideas into audio content instantly. No mic, no editing, just powerful synthetic voices on demand. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. Let's see the demo of Voyse AI and understand everything about it.
With Voyse AI, you can even use Siri-like voice commands to create audiobooks, podcasts, and voiceovers for VSLs, TV commercials, webinars, sales videos, and so much more, completely hands-free. And the best part, you can publish directly to our built-in marketplace, sell effortlessly, and receive instant payments via PayPal, Stripe, credit cards. Here's how it works. Step 1, click the project menu and select Create. Step 2, pick your project type, audiobook, podcast, voiceover, etc. Step 3, enter your project title, author name, and keyword, then click Next. Now comes the exciting part, generating your content. Voyse AI gives you multiple options. You can create content from scratch, import Word documents and convert them to audiobooks or podcasts, turn any website URL, e-com store, blog, or pages into audiobook, voiceover, or podcast, upload PDF files and convert them instantly to voiceover. Use our built-in AI chatbot to auto-generate scripts by simply entering a keyword. Record your own voice and convert it to audiobook or podcast. Transcribe audio files into text and transform them into podcasts or voiceovers. As you can see, there's so much flexibility. For this demo, let's use the AI chatbot to generate content. Simply enter your keyword, click Generate Content, and you're good to go. Next, select your language. We support dozens of languages: English, French, Spanish, German, and more. Then choose your voice type, standard or AI voice. Pick your preferred speaker. You can preview them before finalizing. Here you can edit your content, adjust volume, tempo, add pauses, erase text, preview everything, and when ready, click Synthesize. And just like that, boom, your podcast is ready. Click play to listen and hear just how natural and human-like it sounds. Impressive, right? With just one click, you can download your audio or embed it anywhere, your website, blog, e-com store, by simply copy and pasting a single line of code. It's that simple. You can repeat the same steps to generate human-like natural voiceover and audiobook in any languages of your choice. But that's not all. Voyse AI also includes a built-in marketplace to sell your creations effortlessly. Publish your audiobook, podcast, or voiceover, set your own price. Accept payment via PayPal, Stripe, and credit card. Keep 100% of the profits, no hidden fees, no surprises. Plus, Voyse AI comes with an e-cover design tool, so you can create stunning professional covers for your audiobooks and podcasts right inside the app. Whatever you need, whether it's audiobooks, podcasts, or voiceovers for VSLs, TV commercials, webinars, sales videos, and beyond in any language, Voyse AI does it all. No API costs, no monthly fees, no tech headaches. This is truly the only app you need to start creating and selling high-quality audio content without paying a dime for external AI tools. Thank you for watching this demo. I can't wait to see you inside Voyse AI, where your voice-powered future begins.
I hope you understand how Voyse AI does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the Voyse AI at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. I hope you understand how Voyse AI does its magic. Now let's see the OTOs of Voyse AI. We have already seen the Voyse AI front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $67. Second OTO is Done4You Edition for $297. Third OTO is Automation for $47. Fourth OTO is Swift Profits for $47. Fifth OTO AI Limitless Traffic for $97. 6th OTO Agency for $167. 7th OTO Franchise Edition for $97. Lastly, the 8th OTO is a multiple income for $47. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Stop wasting time recording voiceovers or hiring freelancers. Voyse AI gives you complete control over your content creation, from clone voices to multilingual audio, all in seconds. Grab your license now and start building content, income, and freedom without limits.